Today is going to be a different video. It's a how-to video. How to save the life of a little bird. You're welcome. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today, this is a different thing. I wasn't going to do a video at all because I hurt my back again and I can't really get around very good. But we're out in the yard and I found a baby bird. Its face is busted up. There's a place here in town that takes care of them. So, let me show you what to do with the baby bird. Yeah, but then you gotta chew it up. So say hello to, oh, sorry, Larry Bird. Get it? Like the basketball player, but it's a bird. Hey, Larry. So Larry, I believe, is a robin. So Larry is, I think, a robin. It looks like it fell, like it tried to fly or something, and its nose is just busted up. So there is a place here in Canton. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put a link to.
It's called a vet.
It's like a vet. I'll put a link to their website down below. Basically, if you, we found a turtle one time that Izzy rescued, and we took, what was that turtle's name?
I probably named him Grassy or Ellie. I probably named him
Grassy or Ellie. And we took him there, and he had a busted up eye, he could barely walk, and they revived him, brought him back to life. It was amazing. So we're going to take Larry Bird there, or just Larry for short. If they can't take him, then we're going to have a new bird in the family. You want to live with us, Larry? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Save the bird, save the bird, save the bird. Yeah, we're gonna save the bird. We've got to save the bird. Save the bird, save the bird. Yeah, we're gonna save the bird. Save the bird, save the bird. Isn't that bird so cute? Save the bird, save the bird.
So the place that we're taking Larry Bird is called Edith Allen. Not Ethan Allen, that's a clothes manufacturer. Edith Allen. It is a wildlife rehabilitation center or something like that. They do anything except for everything. They'll do anything for love, but they won't do that. Right, Leah?
What's love got to do?
Wrong song completely. So one thing I didn't know that the neighbor and Leah told me is that, your moms have been lying to you your entire life. Mothers are liars. Who knew?
You're wrong.
So I was always told you never touch a baby bird because if you touch it, then the mother will never take it back in the nest.
Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong.
Turns out that's a lie. Mothers are liars.
Maybe it was a bird that told humans that they were just tired of being moms.
Shut your lying mouth, Leah. Apparently, that's just a mother's, is it a wives' tale or mother's tale? I guess it'd be a wives' tale. It'd be a wives' tale with kids that they won't take them back. They will take them back. Apparently, birds can't smell. Which, I don't know if I agree with that, but I'm going to have to look that up.
Maybe it's the same thing as a deer. How if you touch it, that it could be a predator thing. They don't have a scent.
Sounds like something a liar would say.
Mom, she lied to me. Save the bird, save the bird. Yeah, we're gonna save the bird. Save the bird, save the bird. Yeah, we're gonna save the bird. Save the bird. Yeah, we're gonna save the bird. Save the bird, save the bird. Yeah, we're gonna save the bird. Save that bird. Yeah, save that bird. Yeah, save that bird.
I'll save that bird and
Save the bird. Save the bird.
Normally, we would take an animal up to the place up here, Edith Allen or whatever it's called. But being that it's, the COVID-19 2020 year, we have to leave it in this box, which kind of sucks, but we'll leave him in here. So the lady just called me on the phone. She'll come down, she'll get him, and Larry Bird will live a long life to grow up and play basketball yet again. So that's all it takes. To simply take the animal to someone who knows what they're doing. I miss old Larry. We had some great time together. He's a good bird. That's it for today's video. Rescue an animal. Take it to Edith Allen or Ethan Allen.
It's Edith Allen Wildlife Sanctuary.
I think if you send it to Ethan Allen, it will end up as clothes. So don't send it to them.
It's
Send
a
it
furniture company.
Oh, it'll end up as furniture, even worse. So for today's video, I'll see you on Monday. Don't forget links for Patreon, stickers, and everything else down below. Bye-bye!